In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Temu due to suspicious activity. If you opened the Temu app and received a message saying that your account, payment, or activity was flagged as suspicious, don't worry. This issue is actually more common than many people think, and in most cases, it can be resolved by following a few simple steps directly inside the app or website. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the best ways to fix the suspicious activity warning on Temu so you can continue shopping normally again. To begin, open the Temu app or visit the Temu website and try signing into your account. Sometimes this warning appears after multiple login attempts, unusual payment activity, or sudden account changes. If you recently switched devices, changed your internet connection, or used a VPN, Temu's security system may temporarily flag the account for verification. The first thing you should do is check whether your account information is accurate and fully updated. Review your phone number, email address, shipping details, and payment methods to make sure everything matches correctly. Incorrect or incomplete information can sometimes trigger security alerts. Next, avoid repeatedly attempting failed payments or logging in too many times within a short period. Temu's system may interpret repeated actions as unusual behavior, especially if different cards or payment methods are being used quickly one after another. If you are connected to a VPN or proxy service, turn it off before using Temu again. Security systems often detect VPN traffic as suspicious because the location may appear inconsistent with your account history. After disabling the VPN, close the app completely and reopen it before trying again. You should also clear the Temu app cache or refresh your browser if you are shopping on a computer. Temporary app data can sometimes cause account verification issues or loading problems. Updating the Temu app to the latest version may also help fix bugs related to account security warnings. If the issue still appears, go to the U section in the Temu app and open Customer Service or Support. From there, contact Temu support through live chat and explain that your account was flagged for suspicious activity. Be clear and polite while describing the problem so the support team can review your account more quickly. In some situations, Temu may ask you to verify your identity or confirm recent account activity before restoring full access. Once verification is completed, the restriction is usually removed automatically. And that's how you can fix the suspicious activity warning on Temu and get your account working properly again. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.